Good morning, students. Today we will see the selection of employees. Selection involves choosing personnel to fill specific jobs, in the organization on the basis of educational qualification, training, skill, abilities, and personality of the persons available for the job. Now, selection means selecting peoples based on their educational qualification, training, skills, abilities, and personality. That we have already studied what is selections. So this is what it is, selection. Now we will see the selection process, how these selections goes on. So selection process, there are various steps in the selection process, and those steps are standard steps. Now, first point is pre-test. Pre-test means now when the people they go for job, they have to go through the multiple steps. So first step is pre-test. That means pre-interview or pre-examination. This pre-test is taken only on that condition when the number of applicants are maximum and it is necessary to minimize the incompetent candidates. That means when they advertise for the vacancies, lots of people they apply for the jobs, but it is the job of the recruitment department or selection department to minimize the number of people based on their competency. So for this purpose they take the pre-test, where the number of candidates are reduced to the minimum. Next is blank applications. After pre-test, a blank application is sent to those candidates who have qualified in the pre-test. This form is prepared in the most scientific and technical manner. Now, after this pre-test, the blank application is sent to the candidates, those who have qualified for the qualified in the pre-test. And this form is prepared in scientific and technical manners. Let's see what are the things that is contained in the blank applications. First is personal informations. First part of the blank applications is about the personal informations, about the name of the person, address, age, qualifications. These are the basic informations that is collected through the personal informations. Next is psychological information regarding interest, hobby, and logic. The second part of this blank application consists of the person's interest, his hobby, and about the logic. And third is working competency informations, about the person's experience, about the person's competency, about the person's efficiency, effectiveness. These are the informations that is collected through the competency. Then third part is the main examination. The main examination is based on written form, and it consists of ability test, trade test, interest test, personality test, intelligence test, language test, aptitude test. So these are the various parts of the main test. What is ability test? Now in this form of test, the recruiting agency, they test the general ability of the candidate. Next is trade test, and through this test the candidate's competency for the work is justified. Whether the candidate is able to do the work or not, that is justified in the trade test. Next is interest test. In this, the candidate's hobby and habits are tested. Next is personality test. Candidates in this test, the candidate's family, social, intellectual, and emotional status are measured. Here the informations are collected about the candidate's family background, then his social responsibility, intellectuality, and emotional status. These are the things which are evaluated. Next is intelligence test. Through this test, the intelligence quota of the persons are measured. Next is language ability. Through this test, we evaluate whether the person is able to talk in the local languages or not. That means every organizations, they look for the people who are able to talk in the local languages, because local languages is very important for the business. Next is aptitude test. In this test, we evaluate the aptitude of the persons. Next is fourth step is interview. Through this interview, we evaluate the candidates discussions power and his thinking ability. Next point is physical verifications. The competent biodata of the candidate is called in the test. Side by side, police verification is made for the verifications of the candidate's character. Two references may be called for the candidates for the verifications of characters. Now, physical verification is important. Here, what it is done, the complete biodata of the employees is taken and side by side police verification is also done to know the behavior of the candidates. And sometimes the organization may ask for two references of the people who can certify his characters or verify his characters. Next is medical test. Medical test is very important so that to evaluate the general health of the candidates. Next is issuing appointment letter. After that, the organizations or the recruiting agency, they issue an appointment letter asking the employees to join the duty. Next, it is placement. Here, the terms and conditions and the date of joining is provided to the employees so that he can join the duty in the respective post and the respective places. Now, next is distinction between recruitment and selection. So, this part, recruitment, there may be sources of recruitment. Let us see the distinctions. In the recruitment, first point is there are many sources of recruitment. There are many sources as we have already studied, but for selection there is a specific process. There is a certain specific ways to select the people. Now, in recruitment, the process of searching employees. In recruitment, we search for the employees, and in selections, we appoint the people. Recruitment is positive, selection may be negative, and selection is a negative. In recruitment, every person's can put up applications for the jobs, but in selection, someone may be selected or someone may not be selected. So, it is negative process. Next is recruitment. Recruitment precedes selections. That means first recruitment is done and then selections. And once the people is selected, the appointment letter is issued after selection. The recruitment word is used generally for the lower level employees, and selections word is used for all levels. So these are the few differences.